Hi friends! Are you looking for the steps to convert Arabic numbers to Roman numbers in your Microsoft Excel worksheet? Let's go ahead and see how you can do so. Open the desired Excel worksheet. To convert an Arabic number to a Roman number, just select the cell where you want to get the result. Type equals Roman, open parentheses, select the cell which contains the Arabic number, close parentheses, and then press the Enter key. It will convert the Arabic number into a Roman number. Now to get the conversion results of other cells having Roman numbers, hold the corner of the current cell and drag it down. You can convert numbers only up to 3,999. For demo purpose, here we will convert 2,855 number. Select the cell and type equals Roman, open parentheses, select the cell having the Arabic number, close parentheses, and then press the Enter key. It will convert the Arabic number into a Roman number. If you change this number to any other number more than 3,999, then it will return the error hash value. Wasn't that easy? Have a nice day!